Jesus doesn't just fix broken hearts. He gives new ones. He transforms bitterness into peace, fear into courage, and emptiness into joy. Trust Him with your heart. He will never fail you. Every day is a chance to walk closer with Jesus. Don't wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not promised. Today is the day of salvation. Open your heart now. Pain is temporary, but God's promise is eternal. Jesus said, "In this world you will have trouble, but take heart, I have overcome the world." Hold on to that hope. Your story is not over. Forgiveness is not something we earn. It's a gift Jesus gives freely. You don't have to carry guilt any longer. Lay at the cross and walk in freedom today.
You may think your sin is too great, but Jesus says, "My grace is greater." No mistake is too big, no past too dark, that His mercy cannot cover. With Him, you can start fresh today. When the world tells you, you can't, Jesus says, "With me, all things are possible." Stop listening to the noise of doubt and start listening to the voice of faith. Sometimes life feels like a storm, loud, scary, and out of control. But remember, even the winds and waves obey Jesus. If He can calm the sea, He can calm your heart. Trust Him, He is still in control. The cross of Jesus is not just a symbol, it's a reminder that you are deeply loved. He gave His life so you could have eternal life. Never forget, your worth is written in His blood.
Sometimes prayers feel unanswered, but Jesus is always working. His silence does not mean absence. Trust His timing, trust His plan. He makes everything beautiful in its time. The world says you're not enough, but Jesus says you are more than enough through Him. You are loved, forgiven, and chosen. Stop believing the lies of the world. Start believing the truth of Christ.
True freedom isn't living without rules. It's living without chains. Jesus breaks the chains of guilt, shame, and sin. In Him, you can finally breathe free. His truth sets you free. When life feels like a battle, remember, Jesus already won the war. On the cross, He defeated sin, death, and fear. So you are not fighting for victory. You are fighting from victory in Him.
Jesus doesn't ask for perfection, He asks for your heart. Come with your doubts, your mistakes, your fears, and He will cover you with His grace. His mercy is new for you every single morning.
Loneliness is real, but so is the presence of Jesus. He is closer than your breath, listening when no one else listens, holding you when no one else is there. You are never truly alone when you have Him. When everything around you falls apart, remember Jesus is the solid rock that never breaks. Build your faith on Him, and you will stand strong even in the toughest storms of life.